In Bash, quotes aren't just punctuation. Choose the wrong one and your variables vanish into thin air. When you wrap text in double quotes, Bash still processes what's inside. The most important behavior is variable expansion. $ variables are replaced with their values. So if you write echo with double quotes around $name, Bash substitutes that placeholder with the variable's actual content. Double quotes let Bash do its job. Variable names become their values when the string is evaluated. Single quotes are the complete opposite. Everything inside is treated literally, with 0 exceptions. $home stays as the exact characters $HOME, not your home directory path. Bash does absolutely no interpretation of anything between single quotes. No variable expansion, no special meaning for any character whatsoever. When you need a string to appear exactly as typed, single quotes are your tool. Double quotes also support command substitution. $parentheses inside double quotes execute a shell command and insert its output inline. It is also worth knowing that double quotes still treat the $, the backtick, and the backslash as special characters. They are not fully neutralized. The clearest demonstration: echo single quote $home single quote prints the literal text $home. Echo double quote $home double quote prints your actual home directory, like /users/Alice. To wrap up, double quotes allow variable and command expansion while still interpreting a handful of special characters, whereas single quotes preserve absolutely everything literally. Know which one to reach for, and your Bash scripts become far more predictable. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.